Don't forget the hats, feed the ducks. And all the ducks that we raised this year, we're donating to the local food banks. If you want to help out, 50ducksonhottub.com. Below the video, there's a link. You can make monthly donations, you can make a one-time donation, or you can pick yourself up one of these t-shirts and support the duck adventure. Give to charity this year. Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the Duck Adventure for July the 8th. And it's looking like everybody that I helped yesterday is doing well this morning. It's looking good, but no, it doesn't look like a lot of eggs hatched. Oh, we're dark. All right, let's go outside of the barn and check on the babies. I don't believe it. Mo's outside. How does he do that? Oh. I came out last night, you know, and I put all the ducks inside. Did my job, you know, and I guess I didn't do a very good job. So let's go look at the babies. Hello, ducks. Oh, I've got to clean this place today. Oh, look at this. Oh, they're really strong today. Look at them. Hello, little ducks. Hello. They're so cute. It doesn't look like anybody died. Oh, they're so fuzzy. Let's look at that. It's looking like everybody did well here. Doesn't look like anybody trampled into the ground. Yeah, I think today what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to let these guys run the floor. And I'll put the ones from the hatcher into here for the night, like I usually do for the first 24 hours. Oh, they're looking so cute. You want to say hi to the camera? Oh, sorry. Oh, I startled them. Alright guys, I gotta get going here because I'm doing a surprise trip to the vet. He doesn't know I'm showing up yet, but I'm showing up at his practice before everybody else does, so that I can get Doug all his shots and you know, all the neat stuff you do for a dog, so they don't get sick on you and die. You know, and that's the last thing I want anything to happen to Dougie. Actually, he's so awesome, man. I do not believe that dog. He's getting better at his job. Like every day, it's I just wish I could catch more of it on the camera. It's blowing me away. Actually, I woke up this morning and I looked at him and I gave him a big hug and I was like, I just couldn't believe yesterday with the hawk. I'm blown away what that dog does. He is, I don't know where it came from, you know, considering his background. But oh man, he is shining like shiny armor. He's the duck's armor. Oh, Doug, you know where we are, don't you? The anticipation of going to the vet, hey, Dougie. Sit. Be good. Let's try this. Be good. Oh yeah. Oh my God, Doug. 137.4. Doug, man, you gotta stop growing.
Oh no.
Yeah, here on now.
I'm not show worthy.
There you are. This is Andrew, my vet. This is the guy that I call all the time for my duck problems. He's the awesome vet. Doug and I are back from the vet. I don't believe that dog. 137.4. He just keeps getting bigger and bigger and bigger. It's all muscle too, solid muscle. The dog is seriously working, so he's developing a ton of muscle. Actually, the vet said, you know, I really don't want to see him get much bigger. I said, yeah, well, you know, I don't really have much control over that. I can't tie him up. He's that one that he couldn't do his job, and the vet didn't want me to do that. Actually, he said, you know, the running's the best thing for a dog his size, but he's getting pretty big. And speaking of big, these ducks are getting big. Oh, Dougie, you're gonna slow them down again, aren't you? Doug, stay close. Hey, come here, Doug. Hey, Doug, come here. They're pretty focused when they come out. It's like right away, eat grass. Alright, I'm just looking for Mo, and I don't see him. Oh, he's behind me. Okay. Let's look at this. They just come out as instant lawnmower. Oh, this is so funny. Oh, man. The Muscovy babies must be still inside. The deer fly are crazy, guys. Poor Doug's getting just eaten alive here. It's just the right humidity for them to come out of the bush. Alright, well, I'm going to get some feed happening here for the ducks. I got to dump a load of feed over there for them because they're burning through, well, they're eating a bag of scratch, 80 pounds, just, snacking during the day, and they're eating about a bag a night. So we're at about 2 bags of scratch a day right now. While they're fast today, guys, I just filled up the feeder, and they're already all gone. They're not wasting. There's no ducks in the yard. They've all gone down to the lake. The cutting of the bulrushes has seriously opened up the path here, and they're not hesitating at all. I found the Muscovies. The 10 Muscovies are still here. I don't believe how fast they're like they're on a mission. This is the stragglers, the last of the stragglers. We've got a couple ducks trapped in the pen here. They're down to the water. So the plan today is I want to get more cut. But first, I gotta go. I gotta get breakfast into me, guys. I'm starved. This 7 a.m. vet trip. One, I only had 1 coffee this morning, so I need another coffee, and I got to get breakfast into me. So I got a serious hunger. Then I'm gonna get out here, and we're gonna get the clean the hatcher out, because I didn't realize it, but today is day 29. So any eggs that are left in the hatcher are they're not gonna hatch. They're dead. I know that for a fact. That's just the way it is. Egg recon's getting light, guys. 12 eggs. I'm in the barn working, and I came out because I'm setting everything up to transfer the other babies over. And I came out in the yard. I was walking the house and I go, my yard's awful quiet. All the ducks, well, not all, but over 90% of them are down at the lake. There's nobody in the property. Like you can hear, there's no sounds. They're down at the lake. There's some, I can see some down here, but I think they're probably up the creek. Poor little things. I just took them out of the kiddie pool, and they're totally freaked out because they've got so much space now. Oh, they're so cute. Cute and scared. Alright, I'm almost done here setting up, and we'll go up to the hatcher and get the newborns. It's day 29, guys, so whatever hasn't hatched is dead in the shell. I know that for a fact.
We've gone through this so many times. So we're going to clean out the hatcher. I hate this part because there's so much death. Oh, look at this. We got an escapee. Oh, you. He wanted out really bad. Alright, how did this tray fare? Oh, this tray did pretty good, guys. What do we got here? Look at this for a whole whack of ducklings. Oh, they're really strong and fluffy. I'm going to come back later and deal with these trays. Oh, we got some stuck ones. Oh, and some died. Ah, damn. Okay, what's happened? Okay, you actually should stay in a little longer, actually. Okay, so. Oh, and this guy's alive. Alive and stuck. He's not going to make it. Damn. Oh, I hate this part. Alright, I'll come back and deal with that later. This is the these are the batch of eggs that, or this is the hatch that is you always look at this. Oh, I gotta put some ducks down. Damn, I hate this part. This takes the fun right out of it. Okay, I'm gonna put him up here. Oh, poor little thing. Look at this. He's got a gimp leg. What a shame. Oh, I already did that, right? Another gimp leg. Same thing, the same type of gimp. Like, oh. I hate this part. Another one. Look at this. The same type of thing. The legs are gimped. Okay, there's an awful lot of gimpy leg guys. Another, look at that same thing, guys. The gimp leg. It's got that gimp leg. Oh, look at this tray. Oh, this is a strong tray. Oh, I gotta put down some ducks, guys. Oh, these guys are really alive. Oh, this is a serious tub of ducklings. Alright, let's go to the barn. Oh yeah, that's the biggest tub I've ever taken down, actually. Oh, that's an awful lot of cuteness. Okay, so let's do the count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 21, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 68, or 66, 68, 70, 72, and then I got 2 defectives. Oh man. Alright guys, these guys aren't gonna make it. They got the that defective leg thing. Yeah, it's like a paralyzed leg of some sort. Oh, alright, so look at them go. They're wasting no time getting all excited. Straight to the water. Holy mackerels. So is that 70 or 72? I'll have to look in the video. I can't remember already. I think it's blanking out because I've got to go do something nasty. So we're over 140 this hatch out of 333 eggs. Not the best, but still another, 140 plus ducks to add to the mess here. Okay, I can't believe the vigor of these guys. They're they're going crazy, running around here. I turned around. I had to come back in with the big camera just to show you guys. Like, they're serious pent-up energy. They're right in the water, though. Oh, there's speak of the devil. Doug. Oh, Doug. Yes, more ducklings. Oh, I know. You gotta keep going around. Which side do you want to be on, Doug? And yesterday, he mauled a little chipmunk and killed it, and today, he's checking out his babies. Yes, more ducks. Oh, Doug, you're unbelievable. He's going to lay down between the ducks. This dog is, oh man, it's unbelievable. I'm blown away by him. Watching the ducklings there and staying close to these ducklings. $137.4 pounds of duckling love. Are these guys going to come over? They might. These guys in the kiddie pool are just going crazy. You can hear all the pounding on the plastic. I wonder what's going through his head. Are you guarding the kiddie pool, Dougie? I'm leaving, so you're leaving, aren't you, Doug? I have to go do a nasty job, guys. I have to put a bunch of deformed ducklings out of their misery. I hate this part. I had to put down 10 ducklings. I didn't show it, I didn't video it, but I used pruning shears and just snip their heads off, but 10, that sucks. Anyways, so they hatched, but they were deformed. Anyways, that's the part of the duck adventure I just hate, guys. Totally forgot to show you guys how much poop I just shoveled out of the pen. Unbelievable, the amount that was in one trench, and it comes just from these ducks, because this trench empties down into the one in the far corner, and that's the one I keep shoveling out, and it's unbelievable what these guys are generating. Look at this, cold water. I just filled it up with well water. But I want to show you guys here. I'll try to zoom in so you can see the fluff, how the water is beating off the fluff here. I'm going to try to zoom in for you. Hey, look at that on their back. See how it's beating off and it's not soaking in anymore? And what, about 4 or 5 days ago, they used to get in the tub and they would get soaking wet. And I'll try to get you, there's one, it's even better. Oh, wrong way. Oh, come on, Duck, get your head, look at that. And what, 4 or 5 days? That's all it took for their down to get all covered in oil. So it beads off them now. It's pretty quick how fast they start developing the oil. Just look at that. I had to put the wire on the other ones because they were burning through water too fast here. And they're not tall enough yet for the bigger kiddie pools. And look at that. 2 Muscovies got in there when I was cleaning the barn out, and there's another one in there and I can't get them out. They want to be with the little ones. Doug just coming back from a serious mud run. He took off like a bat out of hell, went down in the swamp, did a bunch of barking. Was at the creek with the ducks, and now he's back. He's just so proud of himself. You're awesome, Doug, aren't you? You know it. Coming home. They're down at the lake. It's about 7:30. They're going home for a snack. They're really a lot more active now in the swamp since I trimmed it. Unfortunately, I didn't get any more trimming done because I just finished in my garden. I got my whole garden completely weeded. I'm done. All I've got to do tomorrow is thin the corn out, actually take out every second plant with a pair of scissors, and replant the peas. And I'm done my garden for a while. And then I'm hoping tomorrow I'm going to do some weed whack, and that's the plan. But we got to go on a road trip tomorrow because I've only got 1 bale of straw, so we have to go pick up straw tomorrow. On lookout. He takes his job serious. Except he's facing the wrong way. Oh, something's here. He really takes his job serious. Oh, it's a duck. He did that earlier. There were some ducks in the bush, and he went into the bush and scared them all out of the bush. He doesn't like them being in the bush at all. There he is. See? He wants them to be out in the open so that he can see them. What an awesome dog. Doug the Duck Protector. You're not gonna believe it, guys. It's like 8:30 and about 100 ducks just went down to the creek. I was inside and I came out and I had to go back in to get the camera and I missed it, but I couldn't believe the amount of them, and they're down there in the water now. These ducks, they go back and forth, non-stop. And they're playing. And it's like 8:30 right now.